because you say you feel guilty that she does a lot for you. That's a blessing. That is a blessing.
Well, she's very dear to me.
Only reason I was going to say, don't feel actually down like that and everything else, because a lot of people will love that. So what I was going to say is, in my legacy, in my 17 years, if it's in our will, we don't allow our mother to do anything. Sometimes she might even sit there and say the same thing to you. What I learned in life, though, is that, that means...
I don't pay her, don't ever mind.
No, it's cool. But what I learned in life is that means that you done what you done as a mother, and that's a blessing. That is a blessing. That's like saying that's one of the gifts that you can't even put a price on.
That's true.
And that's what I was.
Price on friendship either.
And that's what I'm saying.
My granddaughter told me how much a good friend was worth, and I said they're worth more than that. But she had read in an article someplace, what a good friend was worth. Yeah, but you can't put a price tag on friends. I've been blessed with friends.
Mm-hmm.
I have been blessed.
Mm-hmm.
And they all have dirty carpets.
Yeah, that is hilarious. Like you smiled and you threw it in there. You threw that one in there. That was too funny. That was too funny.
I try to make her laugh at least once a day.
Yeah, you have to.
For medicinal purposes.
You have to. That is priceless to me. So that means a lot. So yeah, if it's anything in my will and power.
Darling, we are on the same page. Yeah. I can tell we're on the same page. So. Tell me what my bottom line is going to be, and I'll.
Is it still $650?
Yeah, it's $650. They don't got to worry about that.
All right. Well, let's go for it. And you said that Sunday would be a better time for you, so I think Sunday would be a better time for me.
Okay.
And,
that is no problem. What I do is I call my guy. He said he's gonna call me back in about 3 minutes. I just want to make sure.
If y'all could do it on Sunday, that would be fine.
Yeah, it has to be Sunday because Monday I go to Vegas.
Yeah.
So
I
go to Vegas on Monday for the business convention.
Tell you, when I was working, I'm retired now, but when I was working, I used to go to conferences too.
Yes,
ma'am. I used to have to give little talks and do demos and things like that. And always, Mother would say exactly what she said to you. Well, you have something nice to wear.
Yeah, that's a good one. No, it's true. It's so true. I'm telling you.
And if I'm going somewhere with her, she wants to know what I'm wearing. And if it doesn't pass muster, I have to go shopping.
Because that means she's going to show out with what she's wearing. She's looking up the par at all times.
Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you. She lives by, what we call it? You live by law. You live by the old law, but it's the old law that's the test of time.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I get it. I get it. I respect it. I salute it. Yeah.
You definitely recognize it when you see it.
I'm telling you. Remember I told you my mother's 76. So, right, it was instilled. Right. It's just now that I'm actually...
And probably your older siblings made sure you got it too.
Yeah and no. Because, see, I was a younger one, so it was not a choice for me.
Yeah.
So, I got more of the business aspect out of the whole family. So my mother, and it's interesting and crazy because my mother was like, no, you're going to be the one, you're going to get it. So I was the one that always had to sit down. I was the one that always had to learn this. I was the one that always was right there. I was the one that was always there. So it's the same thing as like when I was at my mother's store, I just happened to see that ad in the newspaper that started my legacy of carpet cleaning. So that's what I mean. So it's like now, as in retracting, like a lot of things I learned, now I'm understanding a lot of things where I got it from. And it came from her.
And is she in good health, I hope?
I mean, she's been a good help as in my walk, because a lot of things I haven't forgot. So it's like what it does is be like, oh, that's what she taught me when I was young. Oh, that's what she made me get. Oh, these are the problems I'm encountering now. So what it does is it makes you run back. Like it like me under my mother is the same thing as how she under you. Like she just want to make sure you're fine. That's it.
Yeah, but